In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Godaddy URL domain to card. We'll take your card site and set it up so it publishes to a domain you find on Godaddy, all in a simple guided flow. Start by heading to your card dashboard and opening the site you want to put on your domain. At the top, click the Publish icon. This takes you to the Publish settings where you'll enter a few details that help your site look professional across browsers and when shared on social media. Add a clear, concise title that reflects what your site is about. Then type a short description that explains the purpose or value of the site. Keep it accurate and scannable. This text often appears in search results and link previews. Next, choose your action. You'll be publishing this site, so confirm the option that moves it live. Now select Publish to a custom domain. This tells Card you'll be using your own web address instead of a default card URL. Open a new tab and go to GoDaddy. In the search bar, type the domain you want, for example, yourbrand.com, and run a search to check availability. Click Search Domains to see results. If the domain is available and it's the one you want, you can purchase it now. If you already own the domain or once you've secured it, copy the exact domain name you plan to use. Be precise here. Decide whether you'll use the root domain or a subdomain like www, and avoid adding HTTP or HTTPS. Head back to Card, paste the domain into the custom domain field, and review it carefully for typos. When you're confident it's correct, click Publish. Card will handle the next steps on its side and guide you if anything else is needed. If you've just acquired the domain, it can take a little time for everything to reflect across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. And that's it. Your card site is now set to publish to your GoDaddy domain with clean, clear metadata and a straightforward flow.